cool that is.
Whoa, look at all the smoke coming from the bottom.
Bright yellow.
This is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life.
I know.
This really is cool. Look at all the smoke. Make sure you get all the smoke because I need to bring this to school.
Just gonna get drunk on here.
I'll turn the video off, the sound off.
You're gonna have to turn the sound.
Look, it's changing colors because of the sun's rays, and that it's hotter. The smoke is blue by the aircraft because it's hot, and then as it cools, it's changing colors.
Zoom out a little bit. Really?
I'm teaching this.
Is that
Blue means hot.
right there?
Yes, that's why it's blue because it's burning at the hottest temperature.
Why are they
And
going
as it cools
sideways
off, it's changing colors.
straight up?
Well, maybe we're going sideways.
We're not going sideways. Look, it's clearly an arc.
That is I don't know why they're going sideways. We'll Google it.
Are you googly?
You Google it.
I'm such a good Googler. They look so far away.
Ladies and gentlemen, they just had separation from the main rocket.
Oh, you see that? Look at the rocket separated.
The rocket booster's falling away.
You see the rocket?
The rocket boosters fell off.
You can see the little dot.
So they're in like a different, I don't know.
The rocket booster falls off and then they go and float into
And it
space.
burns off into the atmosphere, and then the spaceship keeps going.
I love how the whole place allows.
I know, everyone just got up and started walking around the plane.
And look at the smoke.
Get the smoke.
Smoke's a different color.
That is the coolest plane ride ever.
That was worth the delay.
It totally was worth it.
I would take the 2-hour delay from Friday for this.
You know what? That makes up for the 2-hour delay on Friday. You're right.
Look at the rocket boosters are just kind of floating there.
I know I can't see because you're in my lap.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.